on the south coast of Brittany, and the nearest town to me is called Fuenon. So today we're doing a little exploring on our bikes. There's a coastal path we've been following, and it's gorgeous weather for October. It's actually quite hot, and we are gonna go explore this coastal path and see where it takes us, and then we're gonna go to a fort with a city inside of it. So I'm super excited to show you guys, and let's go. Okay, quick update here. So as you can see, I'm no longer on this coastal path. I'm in some forest bit and looks like some marshlandy bits. And I've lost William, which I'm probably to blame because, let you in on a little secret, he did not know how to ride a bike 3 weeks ago, and then we got bikes, I taught him, and now I can't get him off a bike. He's off all the time on the bikes and I can't ever find him, and now he's left me stranded. Okay, I'm gonna go try to find him. Bye. Done with the bike rides, and we have headed to the fortified city here, to the town of Concarneau. And the really cool thing about this city is that there's two parts. So there is the modern city bit, which we can see behind me a little bit, and this is my favorite part. It's the fortified city. So this city is over 500 years old and people still are living here. It's just pretty cool. If you watched my last video about the macaroons, then you'll recognize this shop. So at first glance, when you look at this fort from the outside, it doesn't look that big, and it doesn't look like there could be a lot of homes where people could live, but actually it's massive. There's tons of shops and cafes and creperies around here. There's even a little plaza that I'm passing through now, and it's absolutely stunning. So right now, we just discovered something. There is the original shop of the Queen Yaman, the original Queen Yaman, which is that caramelly pastry that I showed you guys in the last video. So we're gonna pop in and just buy one and see if it's any good. It's supposed to be the original, so it's supposed to be the best apparently. So let's check it out. Here are the ingredients for the Queen Yaman: flour, water, yeast, salt, butter, and sugar. Queen Yaman's fresh out the oven. I'm so excited to try them. Oh my god. what, that cream one did not last long at all. It was really good, but
Traditional style.
I think I've had better, and it was more of a traditional style. So
less caramel.
less caramel. Now we're going up to the
Ramparts.
So we're in this little theater area, and there's a bunch of people who come and perform here, and some of the music that they play, it's like folk music, swing, and then they've got one on the sign that says hip 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 pirates. So this is where you can find the hip 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 pirates.